rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Respected dignitaries, honorable correspondent, dedicated faculties, beloved parents and my dear students, a great and joyful morning to one and all gather here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day. First of all, I convey my wishes to all. Happy Independence Day. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our beloved nation, India. This day holds a special place in our heart as it marks a historic event when our country gained freedom from British rule on August 15, 1947. It was a day when the dream of our freedom fighters came true and the struggle and sacrifice of countless individuals bore fruit. On this auspicious occasion, let us take a moment to remember and pay tribute to the great leaders and martyrs who fought bravely to secure the future of our nation. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and countless others dedicate their lives to the cause of independence. Independence Day is not just a celebration of freedom, but also the reminder of the responsibilities that come with it. As the citizens of this great nation, it is our duty to uphold the values of democracy, equality, and justice. We must strive to eradicate poverty, illiteracy, and corruption from our society and work towards building a nation that stands tall on the pillars of peace and unity. The theme for this year's Independence Day is Nation First, Always First. It reminds us of the importance of putting our country's interests above all these, whether it's in education, technology, sports, or any other field. We must aim to excel and work towards making our nation proud on the global stage. As students, we have a crucial role to play in shaping the future of our nation. Let us commit ourselves to acquiring knowledge, developing skills, and fostering creativity. Let us work towards becoming responsible citizens who contribute positively to society and the nation. On this Independence Day, let us also acknowledge the progress we have made as a nation, from advancements in science and technology to achievements in sports and culture. India has made its mark on the world map, but our journey doesn't end here. We must continue to strive for excellence and work towards a brighter future. In conclusion, let us consider that the true essence of freedom lies in being responsible, compassionate, and dedicated citizens. Let us take a pledge to honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters by building a nation that reflects their vision and dreams. Jai Hind. Thank you.
What a remarkable speech. Thank you.